Hey there, welcome back to Road to Data Engineer. This is going to be episode 16. Going to be a little bit of a shorter one today. I got a lot of stuff to do today, so only going to be working for about an hour on the project today. Going to go ahead and start my Google timer. But basically, this morning I spent a little time updating the GitHub, cleaning up the comments and all of the code that we finished in the last episode, and then pushing the sort of semi-completed tournament results web scraper file, and then the completed pre-2012 scraper file, added PyCache to our git ignore, deleted the old text file that was hanging around from when I was testing out some basics of Git. And then I learned a couple small things about Git too that I didn't know. So pretty happy about that. Everything's like looking really clean now. It's just looking super clean. Feeling really, really good about the breakthrough we had yesterday. So today we're just going to work on the post-2012 scraper some more. And just kind of see where we can get to. Okay, so I think we got all the categories yesterday, but let's just check real quick. Oh. I actually want to set up my run keystroke in VS Code to be a little different too, real quick. Keyboard shortcuts. Run Python. File and terminal. We're going to change it from Control-Alt-R to Control-Shift. Enter. Insert line above. Interesting. Let's actually try this. Oh, maybe I don't want to do that then. Maybe I don't want to add this shortcut. Maybe I just need to start using this. Okay, maybe I'm not going to change the shortcut. Control-Alt-R will have to do. Okay, anyways. Okay. That's pretty good. Maybe I can do a different one. Okay. Okay. So that looks good. Let's check the length real quick too. $472. Let's go ahead and go to our web page. Let's look at the HTML. Okay, so in our athletes results, we got the athlete column. Okay. Now we have the class title, H4 class subtitle H. We want to get the div list, right? Okay. So let me think here. Oh, page reloaded. So, in theory, I could just pull out all the div tags with class athlete item, but based on the legacy scraper, we had to actually loop through a whole set of results at a time due to bugs in HTML. Let's check our legacy scraper real quick, just for references. Loop through each key body. I'm pretty sure when we're looping through the T bodies in there, that's a whole box of results. Let's just double check that real quick. Yeah, we looped through a whole box of results. Just because sometimes the individual rows of the results, like table style objects, had bugs, and we needed to make sure we caught every single box. Like we went through them one section at a time before going to the next one. So I want to do that again here. On this page too, because I think it'll help prevent any errors and we won't have to refactor the code. More likely, or there's a good chance we won't have to refactor the code like we did in the first scraper file. So really we just want all objects with div class list. Headers. out tags that contain athlete results. We're going to talk about the structure here in a sec. Results. Results lists. We'll call it table. Athlete results. Find all. What was it? Or div class list. All div class list. Tags that contain. Splitting out div tags that contain lists. These are essentially the tables. These are the HTML elements used to store what looks like. These are the tags that contain the table-like objects that include placing, athlete name, athlete academy. They have children div tags with class athlete item. They have one for each result. The athlete item div tags contain two children div tags. One with class position athlete that contains placing. And one with div with class name. That has an element for athlete name and academy name. Okay. So I basically want to loop through each table. Loop through each table like object. And pull out div athlete item tags, or table in results tables athlete items equals table dot find all div class underscore athlete item. Yep. One for each competitor result. Okay. Athlete item div tags contain two children div tags. One div with class position athlete contains placing. Two class equals name contains two elements. Athlete name Athlete Academy. Okay. So I have a table. Now I have my athlete items. So now I need to loop through the athlete item itself, right? Because I can have multiple athlete items per table object. For tag in athlete items, loop through each table. Loop through each athlete item tag and pull out placing athlete name and academy name. Man, I really do not know how to spell athlete. Okay. Pull out placing. Pull out. Pull out children. Pull out children div tags. I want to see if I need to use like contents here, which I know I did before. Tag find sublist children. Let's just test real quick. Clearly we got a bug. Where's our bug? Okay, so that's fine. Oh, I think I spelled athlete wrong. Yep. Okay. interesting. For tag, for child, and athlete dot items dot children from child. Treating list of find. For x and child dot children at x. It's fine, but it's like it's just another for loop, which I don't really want. Okay, so I have my athlete items. Athlete item div tags contain 2 children tags. Athlete items. Tag and athlete items. Let's just look at the first 2 here. If I equals to break, I plus equals 1. Print tag. I think something's wrong. Oh, here we go. This is one tag. Div class athlete item, div class position athlete, div class name. Do athlete item div tags contain contain 2 children div tags, position class position athlete and class. Okay. result equals tag dot find all div. Yep. Go through each athlete item tag and pull out children div tags. Loop through each div tag and pull out results info. Interesting. We have these empty string things. So we actually are going to need to find, okay, because we have like these empty like string type lines, we're probably going to need to use find all again here actually. For x and results, placing equals x dot find div class equals position athlete. Print placing string. Print placing. None type object. Position athlete. None. So what results are my div tags, right? Print results. Div. Didn't I use a find tag somewhere here? Div. Print results. For X in results. Let's just print X, I guess. Div class. I think it's something about the spacing that's being weird. Maybe. Result. Div. Something about my syntax wrong, maybe? Print tag dot find div class equals position athlete. Let's see now. None. That's so weird. Again, none. What if I just leave out the class part here? Hmm. Maybe it's something to do with the string. No. No issue with the dash. Hmm. Maybe I need to. Maybe it's a typing issue? Print type.tag. Am I spelling div wrong? I guess that's possible. Print tag dot contents. Print tag dot children. Maybe. Um, Let me look at just the basic layout. Okay, so we have the div class list, the div class athlete item. So let's snag that and put it into Notepad and try to understand the breakdown here. Let's ask GPT to break down this HTML actually and see what it says. Can you break down this HTML code? Yeah. That makes sense. Position container. Div cat class position. Athlete. Inside the athlete. This element displays athlete. Yep. There's a commented out section. This comment indicates that there was or could be an icon used to represent a metal with wiggle color using font awesome, but it's not currently being rendered. Name container. Okay. Why, when I write Python code with beautiful soup for this HTML, and write the following Python, find div class equals position athlete, do I get a return of none? Parse HTML. Okay, this kind of makes sense that it's saying like, let's test it, which I'm gonna do. So it's saying it should work. Maybe there's something wrong. So maybe let's try to use the debugger here, maybe? Pull the table. Find all. We're gonna set a breakpoint here. For tag, children. So we get the table, athlete item, list, and then we get the athlete item, class, position, athlete, class name, div class name. Let's try div class name. Print for tag and find div class athlete item, div class or div class name. Let's try it up at this level. What about athlete position? So it's something about that. For tag and results, print results. That's so weird. That's so fucking weird. Okay, let me think here. Maybe I don't even need to loop lower like this. And pull out children. Loop through each Athlete item. Print result. I'm not exactly sure where the bug is going on there, but I don't think I need to resolve it either, to be honest. Placing equals results dot find div class equals position athlete. Result. PS4 element result sets. Placing results dot find div class equals name. Okay, our hour is up. Kind of struggling on this one. Really not sure what's going on here. But let's just take a quick note. Having trouble here. I thought I should be able to loop through each result and pull out tags based on class one at a time, but it is like not recognizing the children tags or something. Not sure. Confused. Alright, well, we started progressing, so. Alright, well, shorter episode today, but, you know, thanks for watching, anybody who joined, and we'll figure this out eventually. Not too worried, just a little roadblock. Sorry about that. Alright, well, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.